Hello, my name is Bob Kuberski from the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video covers how to configure prototype users on Avaya 1X Client Enablement Services. Prototype users are templates intended to help simplify user provisioning. To begin, access the system as an administrator. Then select the quick link for Manage Prototype Users under the Manage Users and Groups category. The Prototype Users window will open, and there is an option to create a prototype user. Or, if they already exist, a listing will be displayed with the ability to modify each of them by selecting the appropriate handle. Select the Create Prototype User button. The Create Prototype User screen will open, and you will need to enter a handle or name identifier. There is also a description field that can be used as a memory jogger to describe its function. After entering the information, select Continue. The next prototype user page will open, and here you'll be able to create a template that can be used to provision groups of users that all utilize the same solution resources. For example, if your Avaya Client Enablement Services system supports users from different locations that use different telephony, voice messaging, conference, and presence resources, templates can be built for each group of users. Then when the individual user is provisioned, the appropriate prototype user or template can be assigned. To configure the telephony and mobile telephony settings, select Add under Telephony first. Then on the first drop-down, select the appropriate telephony server that will be used by this prototype group. A display field is available that can be used as an identifier, as well as a selection from the next drop-down menu for the appropriate routing destination. Once these entries are saved, you'll be able to add the mobile telephony settings. After selecting Add Mobile Telephony, there is an entry for display name, as well as a selection for mobile routing, ring also, and callback ringing. These drop-down menus are populated based on the configuration settings for the telephony servers. Save these settings, and if applicable, continue to add settings specific to voicemail. From the drop-down, select the appropriate voicemail server. Next, enter a display name. Then enter the web subscriber URL, and this field is optional. Now select when SMS voicemail notification messages are sent to the mobile devices of this group. The choices are all voicemail messages, none, or priority voicemail messages. To complete the voicemail settings, enter the primary number for the voicemail system and then select Save. Now add the settings for conferencing. Select the appropriate conferencing server from the drop-down menu. Then enter a display name, and then enter the primary bridge number and backup bridge number. There is also an optional selection to enable Call Me. Save these entries and continue to the presence settings. Select Add Presence and then select the appropriate presence server from the drop-down. Then enter the display name and select Save. After completing all of your entries, select Finished at the bottom of the screen. This prototype user is now available to be used to provision users. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information is useful. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support.avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.